Hello there! So today is day 2 of 365. There's a long way to go! So I started my day by opening our store in Food Panda. Store name is Daily Cuff. So if you are from Cebu, ayun na mo kaulaw ha, pang-order na. So after I opened the store, I went ahead and cooked my lunch. So today, I will be having stir-fried beans. So I'm adding some butter, garlic, beans, corn, and I used to add peanut here pero wala ako ngayon yan. So salt and pepper of course. And then that's it. I added some pretzels by the way. And then naglagay na din ako ng oyster sauce dyan. And then I think we're done here. Ayan, ready to serve na. Lunch is ready. And of course, sino bang makakalimot? We cannot stand a day without a cup of coffee, girl. You know? Life is crappy without it. Yan yung mga mukha ng nakapagkape na. Ayan, good morning! Oh, it's lunchtime by the way. And pupunta kami ngayon dun sa, I think it's like port area. I don't know ano yung tawag dun sa lugar na yun. Pero across siya ng Shell Island. Makikita mo yung Shell Island and yung CCLEX. Makikita din doon. And then dumaan po tayo dito sa SM Seaside. As what you can see, ang cute ng clouds na yon by the way. And we are about to enter the South Road Properties. So pupuntahan namin dito is across nga siya ng Shell Island. And sa pagkaalam ko kasi, pwede kang tumambay doon, pwede kang mag-fishing. I don't know if it's really allowed, pero titignan natin. Wala akong dala na kahit anong fishing equipment ngayon. Wala tayong rod, wala lahat. So, tatambay lang tayo doon. At eto nga yung madadaanan natin is isa sa pinakamagandang tulay sa buong Pilipinas. Yan po yung CCLEX Bridge po ng Cebu. And we are here. I don't know kung ano yung tawag sa lugar na to, pero it's like a port area. May mga bangka din naman kasi dyan, pero hindi siya like port area talaga na malaki. I don't know. Pero madalas daw may tumatambay dito, makikita mo yung bridge, and then makikita mo dun. Yan. That is the Shell Island po. Pwede daw pumunta dun if there is a small boat or I don't know. Kaya ako, tamang lakad na lang kasi nga hindi ko naman talaga bet pumunta dun ngayon. And then that's it for today. But wait, listen.
Hey guys, so as you can see, medyo pula-pula po yung mukha ko kasi nakakutsig po tayo. Ito po, sali po. Sakit po yung ngipin niya. Pakita mo.